guys, Miss N here. Today I'm going to be talking with you about complex numbers and specifically how to add and subtract them. So let's go ahead and get started. When working with complex numbers, it's important to note that I equals the square root of -1 and I squared equals -1. A complex number is a number that is part real and part imaginary. We denote that by using the A plus BI. The A would be the real number, so any number you're used to seeing. It might be an 8, it might be a 9, etc., etc. The BI is the portion that is quote-unquote imaginary. It's nothing difficult, but we'll keep moving through this so that you can see this. So when you're adding and subtracting complex numbers, all you're doing is combining like terms. So addition is not tricky in any way. All we're going to do is combine our like terms. So a number plus a number. So these are very similar. They are like terms. 5 plus 2 is 7. I'm going to combine my other set of like terms. So 8i plus 3i gives me plus 11i. And that would be my final answer for this problem. All you have to do is combine like terms. When we subtract, things get a little bit more tricky, but definitely something that you can manage. When you are subtracting, you have to ensure that you've given that subtraction sign to both of the things that follow it. So what we're working with actually looks like 4 plus 6i minus a -1 gives me a +1 minus a positive 2i is minus 2i. So all you have to do is change the signs of the two things following it. And then you combine like terms like we did above. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 6i minus 2i gives me a positive 4i. Both of those answers are just left at that. You may also use or choose to put your answer in this format. These are the same things, it's just preferred that we put the number first. So don't be confused if you are working through a problem and you end up with your I value, your imaginary part first. It's not a big deal, just flip it around so that you have 7 plus 11i. Same situation here, 4i plus 5, they are the same answer. We are keeping the signs that go with them. It's not a big deal, we just prefer to keep it in number, real number form, then imaginary number form. Thanks for tuning in.